Hello and welcome to MB Tech. Today is day 3 of the 12 days of Docker. And this time we're actually going to be installing Ghost, which is a content management system. If you want to think of it that way, it can do a lot of different things. It is a fantastic type of, you can do blog posts, you can do pretty much anything you want. Sometimes I use it just internally for my own documentation and stuff like that. But we'll be going through it real quick. It is a quick, fast, easy install. Once again, we will go back to our system that we have set up that already has containers in it. And basically all you're going to do is once you log in and you're in your home directory, we're going to do a change directory into containers. And once you're in the container folder, we're going to do the make directory ghost. And then we're going to change directories into ghost. And as you can see, there's nothing in there. Now we're going to do our standard nano docker compose.yaml. And once we're in there, we're going to paste in the information that we have from my website or from the Docker Compose file that's posted up there on the GITHUB. So once the Docker Compose file is opened, we can make sure that we've got Ghost the latest, the ports, which are going to be 2368. And then from there, we can hit the Control X and yes. And that part is done there. And then we're just going to do a Docker Compose -D, and it will create the Ghost default network as well as a container. And as of that, it's already done. What we can do now is actually do the Docker Compose logs. And we can see how things are doing. It's still creating the table, so it's not really 100% ready yet. So here we just get a quick warning, and basically that is the mail from config. We did not set up mail on this, and that's fine. I just wanted to show you this as a option for one of your containers that you can use. So here we should be ready to go, and we can log into the Ghost site. So we will go to a browser and we'll put in the IP address, and our port was 2368. And the first time you install it, you have to go to the Ghost afterwards. And that's the setup to set up the admin user. Okay, here is the initial install with all the information that I had to fill in. And now we're just gonna hit create account and start publishing. And we can do draft, and we're gonna say new post. So this is a example of a new post. You can add a feature image if you wanted to. And then we're just going to say publish. And it says, yes, I'm ready to publish. Continue the final view, publish post right now, publish, boom. It's out there. So right now it is all internal. So to view it, we just go back out to the IP address and the port, and there is our first test of the post on Ghost. So it's very easy to set up, quite fast. In all actuality, to have a system that's all set up to go to publish your information. I hope you enjoyed that. This is day 3 of the 12 days of Docker. If you would, please like and subscribe, comment, tell me what you'd like me to cover, how things are going. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Have a great rest of the day.